21st anniversary of the birth of Chairman Mao Zedong. Last year was the 10th anniversary of the Belt and Road Initiative and the 10th anniversary of the launch of CPEC and the year of China-Pakistan tourism. The inauguration of my statues of the Quaid-e-Azam Jinnah and Chairman Mao Zedong at the Embassy of Pakistan in China has deepened the friendship between peoples of China and Pakistan. Today, the inauguration of my statues of the great leader Jinnah and Chairman Mao Zedong here in Pakistan reaffirms the common love, admiration, and respect of China and Pakistan for each other's leaders, heroes, and sages. The place of these two statues will forever symbolize the Iron Brotherhood between China and Pakistan. Many years ago, I realized that the advanced ideas and excellent culture of mankind, like biodiversity, are not created by sages of a single country, but are the commonwealth of mankind. As a member of the global village, I am always filled with awe and gratitude. Since 2004, I have been invited by many governments to create sculptures of international historical figures. Why did I create these international celebrities? Because their lives, like those of founding father Jinnah and Chairman Mao, are transcendent, low carbon, more given than taking, and use one of today's terms. Their roles are patching the sky. I'd like to continue to share with the public the spiritual treasures shared by mankind and the world's outstanding cultural heritage through artistic creation, so that the form of artistic creation can be passed on and perpetuated in a wider world, impressing and inspiring people of different nationalities and skin colors, as well as the next generation of young people.
谢谢大家。
Thank you so much, our worthy guest, Master Yuan Shikun, for your kind words. Now I will request the Honorable Prime Minister of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Mian Mohammad Shahbaz Sharif Saab, to please address the ceremony.
Honorable Federal Ministers, Honorable Master Yuan Shikun, Honorable Madam Mao Xiaojang, Honorable Ambassador Zhang Zedong, Honorable Ambassador Khalil Hashmi, members of Chinese delegation, Pakistani officials, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Master Yuan, on behalf of very warm-hearted people of Pakistan, I'd like to extend you a very warm welcome to Pakistan, which is most definitely your second home. And of course, your lady wife and niece of late Chairman Mao Zedong, and that makes this event a historic event. Late Chairman Mao has always been held by the people of Pakistan in very high esteem and enjoyed great respect from the people of Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was the founder of Pakistan, and his great leadership played a decisive role to carve out Pakistan from the subcontinent through outstanding leadership and great sacrifices by the Muslims of the subcontinent. So, no wonder, Master Yuan, you have very wonderfully, artistically, you have captured the essence of these two iconic leaders. The historic bonds between Pakistan and China, forged over decades, is a testament to our shared values of mutual respect, trust and cooperation. Master Yuan, our civilizations are thousands of years old, and during my recent visit to China in June this year, on the recommendation of our very respected President Xi Jinping, I went to Xi'an and had the opportunity to visit the Terracotta Warriors Museum, a symbol of China's glorious past and heritage. Similarly, Your Excellency, Pakistan proudly traces its history to the Indus Valley civilizations, whose relics are preserved in Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Mohenjo-daro in the province of Sindh and Harappa in the province of Punjab. So, by these accounts, today's ceremony is very special and unique as we honor the vision and legacies of our founding fathers who held a common vision of independence, justice, equity, emancipation, and self-respect for the two nations. Both leaders recognized the immense potential of Pakistan-China relations, and today our all-weather strategic partnership is an anchor of regional stability and a beacon of hope for global peace and prosperity under these very challenging global circumstances. We are proud of our collaboration in various fields, from the China-Pakistan economic corridor to cultural exchanges, education, defense